Hello and welcome to Sinohobby channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a DIY CS gear for Sinohobby Mini-Q. And this also works for Kyosho Mini Z too. If you are new to my channel and don't know what CS Drift is, you can watch my introduction to CS Drift video from link in the description. I am going to modify only the rear main gear and use solid axle from Sinohobby CS kit. But if you don't have this CS kit, you can make a solid axle for CS gear from standard differential too. I also have videos showing you how to do just that. Again, links are in the description. Let's start by looking at the rear main gear that I am going to modify into CS gear. This is the spur gear or rear main gear for 94mm wheelbase. And this is the pinion gear that I am going to use. It is 16T, which will give the car 2.0 CS ratio. You can find it easily pretty much anywhere on the internet by searching for plastic gear for small toys and robots. Putting them side by side, and we can see that the only thing that needs to be done is widen the hole on the pinion gear so it can fit over the rear main gear. The shaft diameter is 4.8mm. Luckily, this pinion gear has the same length as the shaft, so I don't need to modify that. If you need to modify the length of the pinion gear, you only have to sand or file it down until it has the same length. To widen the hole, use drill bit starting from a small one and increase the size one at a time. What you are about to see was my first attempt. That's why the gear was blue. So don't be surprised why the actual finished one is white. A lot of sacrifice has been made in the making of this mod. I start by using 3mm drill bit with hand drill to slowly widen the hole. Then increase the size of the drill bit by 0.5 mm at a time. The final one is 5mm. This drill bit doesn't fit my hand drill, so I have to use my cordless drill instead. Be patient every step because you don't want to end up with a hole that is off center. And here it is, pinion gear to use with rear main gear. Now I can put them together by pressing the rear main gear into this hole like this. And it is done. This gear is tight fit, so I don't even need to glue it in. What left to do is putting it in the car and adjust the rear diff, or in this case, solid axle, to mesh with this gear properly. Normally, I use 2 shims each side for 1.75 CS ratio, so I am going to move one shim from the right side to the left. Now I have 3 shims on the left and 1 shim on the right. Put it back in and check the gear mesh. This seems to be working well, so I can reassemble the car and go for drifting. Before that, let's check if it is really 2.0 CS ratio. And here is how it trips. It may be a bit difficult to see in the video, so I am going to describe to you the difference between this one and 1.75 CS ratio that I had before. With 2.0 CS ratio, I can kick the back out much easier than before. But I have to work the throttle and the steering more than before as well. However, this car is still very easy to drive. What you are seeing here was my first time with this CS ratio on this car. And as you can see, it drifts very well. Now I'm gonna stop talking and let you enjoy the rest of this drifting footage. That's it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.